Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use your Microsoft Surface Pro 12 as a monitor for another laptop. So, before we start, I just want to mention that if you want to use your device as a monitor, we cannot connect it using the cable, since there is no input support from another device, so we cannot display an image of a picture from another device on this tablet in a regular way. But we can use the wireless display feature, which is a built-in Microsoft feature, which you only have to install on this tablet if you don't have it pre-installed, because I had it pre-installed, so I expect that most, if not all, of these devices have pre-installed this feature pre-installed. Now, to use it, you're gonna need to make sure that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and use Windows 11 for best compatibility. Then go to Start Menu, Settings, System on the sidebar. Then here find Project into this PC. Now, if you don't see anything here, you have to go to Optional Features and tap View Features, tap Yes, then see Available Features, and then here you're gonna have to search for the wireless display feature. So search for wireless display. Once you find it, hit the checkbox next to it and download it, and wait until it's downloaded and installed, and make sure not to close this window until it's done. Then you'll find it in your added features at the very bottom. Once you do, all you have to do to continue is tap System, then select Project into this PC. Change this first value from always off to either available everywhere or everywhere on secure networks if you are using a secure network. In the second option, in the second field, you have to select basically anything, and also to make sure that the projection will be active even if we don't have this tablet connected to the charger, switch this toggle off. Then on your external device, on your other device, you're gonna have to press Windows+K combination of key, and this will make the cast menu appear on your screen. There you'll have to select your Surface Pro 12 once it appears, and then you're gonna have to accept this request on your Surface, and then the projection will start. Then by pressing Windows+P on your other device, you'll be able to select the projection type, so how you want to project the screen, so whether you want to mirror it or extend the display of your other device, or use your Surface Pro 12 as a main display. And then to stop the projection, you either have to tap the X icon in the top right corner of your Surface, or you have to press Windows+P again on your other device and stop the projection. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.